Hi, welcome to Start. In this video, we'll show you how to complete your user profile and set up your company account in Start. We'll touch on what we consider to be the most important parts, but remember you can always check our support page if you want to learn more. To complete your user profile, navigate to your account settings. Here, you can give yourself a first and last name as well as upload a photo. We also recommend adding an invitation role, as this will be shown in your invitation emails in case you're chosen as the sender of the survey. At Preferences, you can always change your password if you feel like you need to. We also recommend spending a couple more minutes setting up your two-factor authentication, as this will grant extra security to your account. This is also where you will be able to delete your account if you ever need to. At My Companies, you will be able to create your company profile. So you can be in multiple company profiles. You will see them all listed down here. To create a new company profile, click on the blue button here. You can give the company a name as well as fill in the address. If you decide to add an address, this will be shown at the bottom of your invitation emails instead of Start's default address. To complete the company profile, you can click on the company profile button here in the company settings. This is where you will be able to upload a logo for your company. This will also be shown in your invitation emails, so we really recommend doing it. The company sector and company size are used by Start for benchmarking purposes. You can skip the subdomain for now. Our customer success team is happy to explain how this feature is used if you're curious. This last part is the name suffix. This is where you can add a small piece of text that will appear after the sender's name in your invitation emails. Moving on to the colleagues section, this section is very important because this is where you can add more users to your Start account as well as manage their profiles and access rights. To invite new colleagues manually, you can click on the blue button here and add their email address. If you want to make use of our user role functionality, you can already choose a user role for this user here. If you scroll down, you see a list of active users. By clicking on Edit, you will be able to manage each user profile. For example, you'll be able to grant or take away access rights, as well as assign them a user role if you haven't done it already. A firefight email is an email notification that users can receive whenever you get a low NPS score. So this is where you can decide which users should receive this email. The same goes for the Candidate Experience Digest email. These are personalized newsletters that you can receive on a monthly basis and contain insights on your company account. For example, the number of surveys you've sent, the responses received, your ratings, and so on. Lastly, you can click on Delete Colleague if you need to remove a user profile. And that covers the first few steps on setting up your company account. We hope this video was helpful. Good luck.